Hello, and welcome to Gentleman Talk, sponsored by Gentleman Apparels. You can follow Gentleman Apparels on Instagram at gentleman.app, or you can follow me on Instagram at gentleman_215. Today, we will be going over the income statement and how to understand it and how it relates to personal finances. Second, we'll be going over my stock picks from Sunday. And third, we'll be going over 3 new stock picks for the next upcoming month. So, without further ado, let's do it. Okay, in this part of the video, I'm going to go over my 3 stock picks from my previous video, and then I'm going to show some graphs on the 2 new stocks that I picked, ADT and Casper, for the next upcoming month or so. All right, so first, we're on Yahoo Finance. I'm going to first go over SINT. In the previous part, we talked about financial statements and net income statements. You can find net income statements on Yahoo Finance on the company's page under financials. So here we're going to click into the graph. It's going to give us a full view. You can see we are all bullish across. This is zoom in. We're on a 1-day interval. Right here you can see the 10-day moving average is the red. The pink is the 50-day moving average, and the purple is the 20-day moving average. If you want to add in the moving average on Yahoo, you can click on indicators, click on moving average, and then type in the period you want. In this case, I'm going to add the 200-day moving average, and I'm going to make it black. The 200-day moving average shows a sign of strength when it's under the price. So as you can see, last week my video was on 12.6, and it looks like it's just been trading sideways ever since. Our moving averages are lining up. The price just has to get above 195. So we'll just hold on for the next week on SINT, see what happens. Next we're going to go on to GNUS. All right, as we scroll here on the 1-day chart interval chart, we're gonna go, my last video was on 12.6, and ever since then it looks like it jumped a good percentage from around 139 to currently 160. So you made a good 20 cents per share. So if you put a lot of money in, or if you put some money in, you definitely made some money on this. I will hold this a little bit longer. But so far, this pick looks like it's turning out. Next is CleanSpark. Again, on a 1-day interval. Last video was on 12.6. Looks like since then, it skyrocketed from $11 to $15. So I hope you made your money on this. If not, it might not be too late. What you're looking for here, if you haven't jumped in, is just a pullback to touch the 10-day moving average or even the 20-day moving average, and that'd be a good buy point. And then from there, it should keep continuing on, at least in the short term. All right, my 2 new picks for the upcoming month is 1, ADT. ADP just had a recent acquisition, sell bounce. So let's look at the chart. Let's see if the chart tells us anything. All right, so here we have a perfect lineup of the moving averages, which is the price above the 10, then the 20, then the 50. And then let's just look in here and add in the 200, and let's just see if it's past the 200 yet. All right, so it did jump up across the 200. So this is really looking good. Actually, looks like a good buy point, kind of close to the 10-day average. We'll see what happens on Monday. But it's looking good for now. The last pick I'll go over today is Casper Sleep. It's been in a little bit of a downtrend lately, but it looks like it's crossed above the 20-day and 10-day moving average. Still waiting for the 50-day moving average to line up correctly. I'm going to add the 200 again. just to see what that's telling us. So it still hasn't passed to 200, so I'm going to wait on buying this until it at least passes this 200 day moving average price. Right now it's at 727. So those are my 2 new picks, plus a review of my old picks. Looks like 2 of them turned out. SINT still in a little bit of consolidation period, so you can either buy or wait a little bit until these moving averages cross above.